G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. Well, probably doesn't do it justice, but it is hammering down. And all my... G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. Well, probably doesn't do it justice, but it is hammering down. And all the bees feeding on both of my hives are now probably washed away. So probably hundreds of bees are probably dead now. I think the bees were all home because it actually got dark, but of course to maintain that temperature in the hive, some bees have to sacrifice themselves. And this isn't stopping. This is, even the gutters can't hold the water in. Wow, this is heavy rain. And it's getting heavier. Oh, yep. Those poor bees. The wind has calmed down. It's not as strong as it was before, so they won't blow over. Oh, let's cross fingers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.